Beef prices are insanely expensive, so let's turn a cheap cut into expensive cuts. I'm sharing with you my secret hack for incredibly juicy, tender beef in a classic beef and tomato stir fries. This healthy dish is packed with flavor, featuring tomatoes coated in a rich, savory sauce. Hey everyone, I'm Bori. If you are new, welcome. The best way to help this new channel grow is by hitting that subscribe button. It only takes a second and makes a big difference. And thanks a million. We are building something awesome here, and you can be a part of it from the very beginning. Let's fire up the stove and begin cooking. To make this delicious recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 4 cloves of garlic, mince them. A small piece of ginger, also need to mince it. 4 green onions. Cut them into 2-inch sections. Keep the stem part separate from the leaf because you will use them at different times during cooking. 4 medium tomatoes. Cut each tomato into 6 pieces. Cornstarch mixture. Make 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of water. Beef, a total weight of 16 ounces. Cut it into 1/4 inch thick. Before we marinate this beef, we are going to tenderize it first with baking soda so you get tender, juicy slices of beef without a metallic chemical aftertaste. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 teaspoons of water. Simply stir until the baking soda dissolves. Pour the mixture over the beef and massage it thoroughly to make sure every piece coated with baking soda. Let it sit for 30 minutes. When the time is up, rinse the beef thoroughly under cold water twice to make sure that the baking soda removed. Now that the beef has been tenderized, rinsed, and pat dried, we are going to marinate it. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it up. Add 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. You can substitute it with vegetable oil if you like. And lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now that the beef has been marinated and other ingredients prepared, let's begin cooking together. I preheat the pan on high heat. And now it's ready. Add oil. We are using pork lard rather than vegetable oil. Pork lard is a natural healthy fat that significantly enhances a dish flavor. You can substitute it with vegetable oil if you like. Add garlic and the stem parts of the green onion. Add a little more oil. Add beef. It doesn't take a long time to cook beef because you don't want to overcook it. So immediately we start flipping the beef. As you can see, the beef turned golden pretty quickly. Gonna mix this up. Add tomato. And we're gonna start adding other ingredients. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2 teaspoons of rice wine cooking. This is optional. You can skip it if you like. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. A little salt. Some black pepper. Smells amazing. The aroma from the garlic and ginger. Let this cook for about a minute or so to make sure that the tomato is properly cooked. The tomato is ready. Add cornstarch mixture. This dish looks incredibly delicious. It's perfectly served with steamed rice. And the last ingredient that we are going to add is the leafy part of the green onion. Turning off the stove. Give it a quick mix. Beef tomato stir fry. This is a delicious and nutritious meal. There you have it, beef and tomato stir fry. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.